Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be talking about the 5 main categories of SQL commands: DDL, DML, DCL, DRL, and TCL. So, first up, we have DDL command, that is Data Definition Language. These commands deal with the structure of databases. It includes create, alter, drop, and truncate. These 4 commands. They allow you to create, modify, and remove tables, schemas, and also other database objects. Next, we have DML command, that is data manipulation language. These commands focus on the manipulation of data itself. Common commands here are the select, insert, update, and delete. These 4 commands which helps you query, add, modify, and remove data from tables. Then there is a DCL command, that is data control language. This category includes commands like grant and revoke, and they are used to manage permissions and control access to database objects. Next, we have DRL command, that is data retrieval language. The key command here is a select. This command is all about retrieving data from the database based on the specific conditions. Lastly, we have TCL command, that is transaction control language. These commands manage transactions in the database, ensuring data integrity. Key commands include commit, rollback, and SAVEPOINT to control and manage changes made within a transactions. To sum it up, SQL commands are categorized into DDL, DML, DCL, DRL, and TCL, each with its own specific purpose, whether it's defining structure, manipulating data, controlling access, retrieving information, or managing transactions. Understanding these categories helps you work more effectively with SQL databases. So, in our next video, we will see the what is the DDL command actually. We will see it in deeply. So, see you soon in our next video. If you found that video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, press the bell icon, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.